Today, Chris brought his 2024 CVO ST in to get a set of our jackhammer mufflers installed. Opportunities like this do not come by very often. We are so proud that he chose us to make this thing sound right, sound good, and still perform just like it does. All we're going to do is change the mufflers on it. I want to go ahead and start it up here, give you an idea of what the bike sounds like. Now we're going to take it in and change the mufflers. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back. We just installed a set of the Jackhammers by SVT. This bike's so new, it doesn't even have a tag on it yet. So we're going to give you an idea of what a CVO ST in stock format sounds like with just a muffler slip on.